Hello everybody, welcome back to This Old Cook. If it's your first time here, just welcome. I just want to say thanks to the folks that have subscribed over the past few weeks. It's really appreciated and it does help the channel move along, so thanks very much again. Today we're going to make crispy Korean chicken wings. I've got a great secret recipe for the crispy coating, so you might want to watch out for that. So let's get on with it. I've got a bunch of chicken wings in here. And I've cut them into flats, and I call them little drummers. I covered them in water with 2 teaspoons of salt, and I've left them for about 5 hours. A little bit of brining. You don't have to do it if you don't want to, but I like to do it. Move those out of the way. Important part of the batter mix in here, I've got potato starch and plain flour. Not corn flour, don't use corn flour. Potato starch, it's completely different. It's an important part of the crispiness. I've got some black pepper, some salt, really important in the batter mix, bicarbonate of soda. I've got a couple of cloves of garlic. Well, actually I've got 3 cloves because I love garlic, so I'll put extra in. Honey, sesame seed, soy sauce, gochujang. This isn't the hottest gochujang, but it's beautiful. Tomato ketchup, brown sauce, and some sesame oil. I'm going to be deep frying these wings. I'm going to use my deep fryer. You don't have to use a deep fry if you don't have one. You can use a saucepan with oil in. You just need to watch the temperature, but we'll go through that in a minute. So see you in a minute. Right, so let's quickly make up this dry mix. So as I said, in here I've got a mixture of potato starch and plain flour. I'm going to put in salt, he says. I'm going to put in black pepper, ground black pepper, and some bicarbonate of soda. That's all that in there. So get myself a little whisk. Just give it a right old mix. I'm going to try and show this as best I can. So I've got my chicken pieces here that I've drained, and I've got my batter mix here. So I'm just going to put my chicken bits into the seasoned batter mix. Any leftover stuff that's in this bowl here, any juice and that, just discard it. So toss your chicken bits in this seasoned flour mix like that, and just kind of, can you see what I'm doing? Just kind of squeeze, get rid of the excess flour. Just squeeze the flour into the pieces of chicken. I hope you can follow this okay. I'm still not very experienced at this video business. Back in a moment for the next step. So into my chicken pieces here, I'm going to add the white of an egg. Don't add the yolk, just the white. It doesn't look like very much, but there's 1 egg white is plenty for this. So I'm just going to mix this up now. You'll be surprised how far it goes, this egg white. Back into this flour. I'm just going to wash my hands because they are really awful. Excuse me. Ew. I'll cut the sound effects out, so don't worry too much. Righty ho. So what we've got to do is now mix this flour for the second time into the chicken bits. So just give it a right old mix. Seems like a bit of a faff, but there's not a lot in this, but let me tell you, this is going to create a coating that is so good. I keep getting complaints about my videos being too long. I'll try and shorten this as much as I can, but I just want to add loads of detail. So you know what, I'm going to leave that in there. These chicken bits are ready for cooking. These are going to be so crispy and so good. Let me move that forward so you can see it better. I've tried to cover as much as I can. This is going to be good. So just stick with it and back shortly when we've got the deep fryer ready. Right, so my oil is at 340 degrees Fahrenheit or 170 degrees Celsius. So we're going to be frying these chicken wings twice. So I'm going to put the chicken wings in now until they reach approximately 172 degrees Fahrenheit or about 78 degrees centigrade internally. So I'm just going to pop these in now. If you're doing these in a saucepan rather than in a deep fryer, just keep your eye on the temperature, because the temperature of the oil will drop as you add the chicken wings. I'm going to get on and do the rest of these, and I'll come back when the first fry is finished. Right, I just want to quickly show you this now. These have been cooking for about 8 minutes and they are at temperature. Look at that crispiness on there. We're going to take these out, drain them on some kitchen roll and let them sit for a good 20 minutes. And then we're going to be doing the second fry and then we'll make the wings finished sauce. Okay, let's make the sauce for this. I'm going to start off with 2 tablespoons. Well, these are dessert spoons, but they are 15mm, same size, of gochujang. That'll be good. Put that over there. And I want 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. Seems like a lot. I want 3 tablespoons of ketchup. 1, 2, 3. Just going to turn that heat down a bit. I want 2 of honey. 1, 2. It's all a bit haphazard, but it's all good. 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. Just get another one of these things out. Put that. 1 of brown sugar. Thank you. I want 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. I want 2 cloves of garlic, but actually I love garlic, so I've got 3. I'm going to add just a little splash of water, probably the equivalent of a couple of tablespoons. Just get me non-ferrous metal stirrer. I just want to cook this for 3 minutes or so, 3, maybe 4 minutes. Ugh. Just going to stir this in.